If possible, please at least no awan ti business unit ground, please do not be using it as a walkway, no? Magna kayo dito likod, apo, right? The warm-up area is for the athletes saan apan pagnaan na pagpasyaran niya. Thank you. Kung no athletes kayo, no awan ti event nyo dita pool area, you move out. Please. Tapno, we give due respect ka na gito'y finalist nga maipipresent. Please. O, ibaga ko, naka-uniform kayo dita Tabuk City, move out. Ladies and gentlemen, in front of management are the finalists for discus throw secondary boys division. Athlete 011, Roger Moore Lumiaan of Abra. Athlete 252, Vincent Piscala of Tabuk City. Athlete 076, Blood Tristan Ferreira of Baguio City. Athlete 0747, John Pamalay Jr. of Apayao. Athlete 173, RB Bambalan of Kalinga. Athlete 035, Al Jaden Agustin of Apayao. Athlete 117, Ringor Salaw of Ifbenguet. Athlete 138, Edison Binalit of Ifugao. Athlete 078, Kidlat Gayo of Baguio City. Athlete 179, John Joseph Duliano of Kalinga. Athlete 218, Joshua Pagyan of Mountain Province. Athlete 108, Giovanni Demot of Benguet. Added 012, Cyrus Macapio of Abra. Added 137, Rostom Abrojena of Ifugao. And the last but not the least, athlete 192, Hartlin Kayakon of Mountain Province. Let's give a big round of applause to our finalists for discus throw secondary boys. Gentlemen, you can now proceed to your playing venue. Good luck to all of you.
End of round 3, end of the bout. Of bout 12. Winner on points via split decision. From the blue corner,